Have you ever thought that you could have won this customer if you had applied your best practices? This video shows you some of the capabilities of the Tallyfy plugin for Oracle CRM. Tallyfy is complementary to Oracle CRM. It offers a supercharged and interactive version of the Sales Coach. Applying best practices with sales coaching is an absolutely critical component of any sales team. Without them, you are not making the best use of your substantial investment in sales staff and software. You are losing valuable opportunities and increasing the churn rate of your customers. Remember that an organized sales process is also a great first impression for new leads, and this first impression lasts for a very long time. In tenders where the impact of missing something in your proposal leads to serious legal and reputational problems, following best practices is not optional, it's a requirement. Tallyfy enables you to simplify, track, and measure best practices using interactive checklists. We solve the problem of best practices being applied consistently by everyone across any stage of the sales cycle. By making sure there is compliance and consistency across your teams, you can sell more, know more, and grow more, leading to higher revenue and a more successful sales force. You can prevent mistakes which are easily avoidable, while enforcing and continuously improving your best practices. As everyone's performance rises, the impact on your sales will be substantial, making this a must-have add-on to your investment in Oracle CRM. Here, we are looking at an opportunity stage item within Oracle CRM. Notice that the Sales Coach is already populated with links to best practices within Tallyfy, and all this is entirely browser-based. This enables you to specify which links to show up in every opportunity stage as a template, which is configured in the back end of Oracle CRM. We can also work with you to enforce and guarantee that all the best practices or interactive checklists are actually completed before you can get to the next stage of the sales cycle. Now, moving further down, you can see that the Tallyfy tab is integrated within this view. We'll go through some of the key components of this. Here, you are looking at an interactive checklist which can be accessed in real time and completed by a distributed team. It even has role-based permissions and workflow features, allowing you to distribute tasks to the right people and watch them being done by everyone in real time. As this instance of the process is only partially completed, let's continue and finish it. In this single step within the checklist, you can see some simple icons at the top. The tick allows you to complete the item. The question mark lets you explain the rationale behind why this step has to be done, which really helps with the on-the-job learning for new sales staff. The exclamation mark reports a problem in real time. The exceptions or problems can be accessed in a single clear place, allowing you to practice management by exception and remove your reliance on meetings and email. If you need to collect information beyond just simply doing the step, you can do so by defining any kind of form fields, such as text boxes and drop-downs. Now, let's take a look at the tracker, which is where you can view the progress of best practices as they are being completed. As you can see, it's quite easy to see the progress of everything, including the instances where somebody has a problem and needs help. To edit any checklist template, someone with the right permissions on Tallyfy can click on the edit button and add or remove steps as needed using a simple point-and-click user interface. Tallyfy is unique because it allows you to implement, execute, and measure best practices for the first time. Our other features include integration with other systems, as well as powerful analytics for executives and sales directors. Please get in touch to learn more.